Welcome to English Anyway, where we learn English, no pressure, no perfection.
Hi, Benji here. Ugh, that online call was a disaster.
Oh no, what happened?
The other person was talking, but the sound kept stopping.
A bad online call? That is frustrating.
I tried to say it, but my sentence was not good.
What did you say?
I said your sound is bad.
Okay. People may understand that, but it sounds a little strong.
Strong? I am just telling the truth.
Yes, but we can say it more clearly and more kindly.
All right, online call English. Help me.
We can fix this step by step. Today we will learn simple English for a bad connection. First, say the problem. I can't hear you clearly.
I can't hear you clearly.
Good. This is useful and not rude.
Why clearly?
Clearly means in a way I can understand well. If the sound is low, noisy, or not clean, you can say clearly.
So not your sound is bad.
Right, better. I can't hear you clearly. Here is the contrast. I can't hear you clearly. Not, your sound is bad.
Okay, softer.
Exactly. Now, if the sound keeps stopping, use this sentence. Your voice is breaking up.
Your voice is breaking up. Breaking up sounds like relationship problem.
Haha, yes, it can mean that too. But in a phone call or online call, breaking up means the sound stops and starts.
Like this? Hello? Can hear me?
Exactly. That is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up.
Your voice is breaking up.
Now, after you say the problem, ask for the next step. Can you say that again?
Can you say that again?
Very useful. It means please repeat it.
Can I say repeat again?
You can, but can you say that again? Sounds more natural in a call. Here is a small contrast. Can you say that again? Can you repeat that? Both are good. The first one is very everyday.
In my language, we often say one more time.
Nice. In English, one more time can work too. One more time, please.
One more time, please.
Good, short and friendly.
But what if the problem is me?
Great question. Then say what you will check. Let me check my microphone.
Let me check microphone.
Almost. Add my before microphone.
Ah, right. My microphone.
Yes. That small word makes the sentence clear.
Okay, that sounds better.
Let me check my microphone.
Let me check my microphone.
Good. You can also check your internet. Let me check my internet.
Let me check my internet.
If the call is still bad, use one final sentence. I will call you back.
I will call you back.
This means I will end this call and call again.
Very useful. Like restart, but for people.
Exactly. A people restart. Let's hear these in a real call.
Hi, Lucy. Can you hear me?
Not very well. I can't hear you clearly.
Oh, no. Is my voice breaking up?
Yes, a little. Can you say that again?
I said I am at home today.
Got it. And your picture is frozen too.
Oh, really? Let me check my internet.
Good idea. If it still doesn't work, you can call me back.
Okay, I will call you back in 1 minute.
Nice. That sounded like a real online call. We also heard a new useful sentence. Your picture is frozen too. Frozen means the video stops moving.
Like my face is stuck.
Exactly. Your picture is frozen.
That happens to me a lot.
Now let's practice out loud. Benji, this is for you and for everyone listening.
First, say the problem. I can't hear you clearly. Your voice is breaking up. Now ask the person to repeat. Can you say that again?
Good. Now let's switch. Choose one thing you can check. You can say, let me check my microphone.
I will try. Let me check my internet.
Great. Everyone listening, choose one you can really check. You can say, let me check my camera. Or make your own sentence with, let me check my blank.
Quick natural version. Sorry, I can't hear you clearly. Your voice is breaking up.
Can you say that again?
Sure. If it still doesn't work, I will call you back.
Today we built one real online call answer, step by step.
I can say the problem, ask again, and fix the call.
Exactly. Simple English, but very useful.
And I remembered my microphone. The little word is safe today.
Before we go, we have one question for everyone listening. What is hard for you in online calls? Sound, camera, or internet?
Write one word in the comments.
We would love to read it and cheer for you. Keep learning English any way you want, and I'll catch you in the next one.